Welcome back to Resource Rundown. Today we are running one prompt through two different AI chatbots and comparing what comes back. The prompt reads, "Act like a professional retirement expert, help me plan for this next chapter of my life, and start by asking me some questions." Notice the structure. Give the AI a role, state your goal, and tell it to interview you first. Asking the AI to ask questions is the single biggest upgrade most people never make. First up is ChatGPT. The same prompt works here, and the sidebar shows custom GPTs and projects you can organize your planning under. Next, we paste the identical prompt into Microsoft Copilot. Copilot responds by framing retirement as more than money, identity, purpose, lifestyle, and freedom. It then organizes the interview into 4 areas: life vision, finances, health and lifestyle, and legacy and impact. Under life vision, it asks what an ideal day looks like from morning to night, and which parts of your current routine you want to keep or release. These are the same questions a paid retirement coach would ask in a first session. You can answer in paragraphs or bullet points, whatever feels natural. The AI builds your plan from your answers, so honest detail and produces useful guidance out. Here is the caution that belongs in every video like this. AI chatbots are planning partners, never licensed financial advisors. Use them to clarify your thinking, organize your questions, and prepare for meetings, then confirm the numbers with a qualified professional. Never paste account numbers or sensitive financial documents into a chatbot. So which one wins? Both handled the prompt well, and the winner is whichever assistant already lives where you work. If you use Microsoft Office daily, Copilot sits right there. If you already keep projects in ChatGPT, stay put. The prompt technique transfers to any chatbot, including Claude and Gemini. Try it tonight. Pick a life decision, assign the AI a role, and let it interview you. Tell us in the comments what the AI asked you that you had never considered. Like this video and subscribe to Resource Rundown for more side-by-side AI comparisons.